How to use Cash App code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Cash App code. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Cash App. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then after you do that, you will see on the homepage on the top right corner a profile icon. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll then need to scroll down all the way. After you scroll down all the way, you'll find an option called Referral Code. Tap on it. Then all you have to do now is type in the referral code for the Cash App. After you type that in, hit enter, and after you hit enter, you will then be able to redeem your referral code, and it's that simple. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye.